Okay, yeah, let's start. And welcome to the day 2 of the DPDK Summit APAC. And welcome people from all of the world. Let's have a quick review on the yesterday's agenda. And yesterday we have totally 5 technical presentation, and one is on the DPDK Cloud Native, and one is on the I/O virtualization solution, and this one is for the Elephant Flow, and this one is for the OVS on tunneling and hardware offload. And also we have the DMA to accelerate our workload. So if you have any questions for these topics, you can contact these speakers directly, or you can discuss it in the DPDK community. And today we also have lots of good technical topics. Today we also have 5 topics, and we will have one break after 2 technical topics. And today, 3 topics will be presented in English, 2 will be in Chinese. So if people you can't understand the Chinese, you can type your questions, and you can ask the speakers to explain it in English when you see the need.